Coaching has always been in my blood. I feel like my role at Turfscape is to be the head coach. When I brought the Huddle to our Twinsburg branch, our focus was on connecting people.
I was here for a couple years before we started doing the Huddle, and after we implemented the Huddle, things really changed around here, kind of like a complete 180.
The morning huddle keeps my team, more involved, more informed with everything that's going on in the company. It really helps us, work as a company instead of as individuals and individual crews. We all work as one Turfscape.
It helps me put out the message for the day to get the crews aligned.
It's not just jumping straight to the job. Just the importance of taking your time, communication, and just understanding how important that is.
On-the-job experience. All the people around me just teaching me, just learning new stuff from them.
It helped with our employee retention, flow of information. Our guys are more educated, and we're a lot better for it.
Turfscape is a great place to work. One, it's family. I've been here 16 years, and from the time I walked in the door, I felt welcome.
That's what makes Turfscape special. They're good people, and they teach us how to be a better leader. I've been here for 20 years. Turfscape is a big family.
I think Turfscape definitely feels like a family here, especially with the Huddle. It just brings us all together.
Because of the Huddle, we're closer as a team. We set our standard every single day. We work together well, and I truly believe it is what sets us apart from our competition.
1, 2, 3, go!